Task 4. All About Me. Ingalls A1. My name is Paula Andrea González Amaya. I live in Calarcá, Quindío, and study at UNAD. I'm a third semester systems engineering student. I also work in an office as an administrative assistant. My daily routine: I get out very early to shower, get dressed, and put on makeup. I walk to the office. I start work at 8 a.m. and have breakfast, sandwich, and coffee. I have lunch at 12 p.m. I like to eat fetch, patacon, coconut rice, and lemonade with my dad. Then I return to work at 2 p.m. I get home at 5:30 p.m. to eat, study, and finish my university studies. Finally, I go to bed at 1 a.m. They are in a work meeting. She is talking. They are listening. Men wear shirts and ties. Women dress formally with a blouse and skirt.